Hello everybody, today we're gonna make rice with kofta ball. Let's start. First step, I add one piece of onion with some parsley, mix it and get it to add to the beef. I have 400 grams of beef. I add one small spoon of salt with half small spoon of black pepper with half small spoon of cumin. We mix it very well and go to another step. In this step, I make it all small ball like this and take it to fry. In the high heat, add little oil, add the kofta ball and fry for 2 minutes and take it out. In this step, I add onion with garlic with bay leaf. Mix it for 20 seconds. Now add all the spices, salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, curry. Mix it for 20 seconds more. In this step, add 2 big spoons of yogurt, mix it very well and add 1 cup of chicken stock. Mix it for 2 minutes in the medium heat. In this step, add 1 cup of rice. Mix it and cover and leave it for low heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the rice cooking, I add the kofta ball and I cover and I leave it for 5 minutes in the low heat. After 5 minutes, our food is ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.